Good evening everyone, myself Sana Kulsoom from News Moment. Welcome you to News Moment English. Let's see today's headlines. Students also joined Qazi Nazrul Islam University Teachers Movement. Councillor SMMustafa submitted memorandum today to Mayor Bidhan Upadhyay. Uproar over women's misdemeanor in the name of loan. Bulldozer of Asansol Municipal Corporation reached. ThenFineWasPaid. This news is sponsored by Metro Marble. According to WASIM Khan's report, the team arrived yesterday to demolish the illegal construction in a marble house located on the highway side of Asansol by the Asansol Municipal Corporation. But seeing the bulldozer of the Municipal Corporation, the showroom owner reached the corporation headquarters and appealed to the mayor to stop it. Then the mayor said that he should pay the fine, after which he immediately agreed to pay rupees 10 lakh. He deposited rupees 10 lakh in the corporation headquarters and assured to deposit the remaining 10 soon, after which the campaign was postponed. Stay with us for more news after this short break.
Step in rainbow dresses for all types of kids wear. Bastin Bazaar Mode, GT Road, Asansol.
Rainbow Big Shop. All varieties of ladies wear, men's wear and suit pieces are also available. Bastin Bazaar, GD Road, Asansol. Contact number 0341 222 1590. Rainbow Big Shop.
Aam Aadmi Party alleged on Monday that the Ministry of Home Affairs stalled the government's budget 2023-24, which was scheduled to be presented on Tuesday in the Delhi Assembly. This part of the news is sponsored by TVS PSG. According to senior reporter Manish Srivastava's report, however, the Home Ministry sources dismissed the allegation, adding that the MHA has instead sought clarification from the Delhi government as its budget allocation was focused on the advertisement rather than the infrastructure sector. Responding to the MHA's point, the Delhi government said that the allocation for the advertisement has not been increased in this year's budget. MHA is lying. The total budget of Delhi is Rs 78,800 crores. Out of this, Rs 22,000 crores are for infrastructure, while only Rs 550 crores will be spent on advertisement. Last year, also the budget for advertisement was the same. There is no increase in the advertisement budget, Delhi's Finance Minister Kailash Gehlot said. The Delhi LD office said that VIKAS has approved the annual financial statement 2023-24 with certain observation on March 9 and sent the file to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Delhi government thereafter sought the approval of President Draupadi Murmu by sending a letter to the Home Ministry. The Home Ministry conveyed its observations to the Delhi government on March 17. The budget was to be presented on March 21. The LG office further said that it is yet waiting for the file to be sent to it from the Delhi Chief Minister. Notably, Delhi's budget goes to the Home Ministry for approval. Only when the MHA approves the budget it is presented in the Delhi Assembly. Stay with us for more news after this short break.
Please step in. Hind Cosmetic, Supermarket, First Floor, Asansol, 713301.
Products are Biotic, Garnier, Ever Youth, Nivea, Sahnaz, Mammoth, O3 Professional, Lotus Professional, Patanjali, Jobis, Nature's, Men's Glow, Plum, M Caffeine, VLCC, Good Vibes, Ola, Fame, Auxilic, Radha, Sugar, Lakme, Veblen, Lotus Color, Ponds, Silk, Matrix, L'Oreal, Bella, etc.
Our contact number is 9126767709.
Ram Navami procession will be monitored by drone. Ban on weapons. This part of the news is sponsored by Hillview Hospital. According to ANKIT SRIVASTAVA's report, a meeting was organized regarding the grand procession to be held for Ram Navami on March 31 in the Sivasthan temple complex of Burnpur. In this, a strategy was made regarding the procession. Baleshwar Yadav was presiding, Om Prakash Singh, Secretary of Sivasthan Mandir Committee and Ram Navami Committee, Gauri Shankar Singh, General Secretary of Mahavir Akhada Committee, Patron Rajesh Singh, Damodar Singh, Sunita Devi, Secretary of Shanti Nagar Harijan Temple Mahavir Akhara and Pravir Dhar, founder of Voluntary Blood Donors, were present during this period. Representatives of the temple and Mahavir Akhara committee were present. During this, a strategy was chalked out in the meeting that Navami would be worshipped on March 30. On March 31, turban distribution and a grand procession will be taken out in the evening. Stay with us for more news after this short break.
Priya Cosmetic, near Minar Cake Shop, GT Road, Asansol 1.
আমাদের শপের নাম আসানসোল প্রিয়া কসমেটিক্স। আমাদের শপ হচ্ছে মিনার কেক শপের ভেতরে। আমাদের শপে সমস্ত রকমের কসমেটিক্স প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে, যেমন মেবলিন, কালার বার, সুগার, ল্যাকমি, প্লাম, লোটাস, এছাড়াও সমস্ত রকম প্রফেশনাল প্রোডাক্ট অ্যাভেলেবল আছে। আর আমাদের দেখুন নাম্বার দেওয়া আছে এখানে, এই নাম্বারে কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারেন। আমাদের হোম ডেলিভারি প্রোভাইড করা হয়।
Our contact number 9563404288 and 8918940868.
Students also join Qazi Nazrul Islam University Teachers Movement. This part of the news is sponsored by Motion. According to Sitaram's report, on Tuesday again the students created ruckus in Asansol's Qazi Nazrul Islam University. Qazi alleged that different types of malpractices are happening in Nazrul University. Teachers' organizations are continuously protesting against it. Students also contributed, said that we have already been saying that we are not getting proper facilities here for teaching and learning. Now teachers have also started speaking, but we have a question. How long will the university be good like this? There will be no facility. It can affect our future. That's why today we have come with the teachers movement. Stay with us for more news after this short break. Montessori School at Buddha Pipeline Road, Kalajharia, Burnpur. 100% smart class, computer lab, library, children park, separate lab for physics, biochemistry and maths. For admission, contact 80013875524 or 9434359937. Abhinav Mukherjee is the president of West Bardhaman district, forming the full state committee of Trinamool Chhatra Parishad. This part of the news is sponsored by Educational Hub. Trinankun Bhattacharya, the current state president of the students' organization TMCP, is being retained in the post again. Former State President Jaya Datta is likely to remain as the chairperson. A full state committee of 66 members has been formed by the Trinamool Congress, but all these are mentioned as proposed positions in the list. The name of Abhinav Mukherjee has been announced as the district president of Trinamool Chhatra Parishad of West Bardhaman district. Arjit Pal became the vice president. Stay with us for more news after this short break.
Admissions open now at St. Christopher Mission School, run by Anglo-Indian Society affiliated to CBSE Delhi. Special features are low affordable fee structure, smart class, well-trained teachers, indoor-outdoor games, transport facility, co-curricular activities, classes from nursery to 12. It's time for your child to explore the creativity. Thank you.
ECL coordination meeting held at Sanctoria. Asansol, Shri Parmanand Sharma Divisional Railway Manager, Asansol held a coordination meeting with Shri AP Panda, CMD ECL and other officers of Eastern Coalfield Limited, headquartered at Sanctoria today, 20 March 2023. In the coordination meeting, coal loading performance was reviewed in this financial year, how to increase coal loading, causes of shortfall in coal loading and to make good of shortfall and realization of land license fee, payment of outstanding railway staff cost and future strategy of coal loading were discussed. Nominated branch officers of Asansol division were also present in this meeting. Stay with us for more news after this short break.
Rekha matching. Please step in for all kinds of colorful matching poplin rubia, fancy dupattas, other fancy dress materials. TP Market, Asansol. For more information, please contact 96356400.
Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has again written to the Lok Sabha Speaker requesting permission to respond to totally baseless and unfair charges. This part of the news is sponsored by Shine Academy. Mr. Gandhi cited House conventions while making the request to respond to the charges levelled on him in the Parliament and also pointed out that the same rule was earlier invoked by one of the Union ministers. I am seeking this permission under the Convention of Parliamentary Practice, the constitutionally embedded rules of natural justice and Rule 357 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Lok Sabha, he said. The rule allows members to, with the permission of the Speaker, make a personal explanation even when there is no question before the House. Stay with us for more news after this short break. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes number 1, class 8 to 10. 11 to 12, Science, Arts, Commerce, Bengali, English. Graduation, Honours and Program, Computer Science plus Application, Economics, Sanskrit, Pol Science, Philosophy, BCom. We also provide all types of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. Contact number 9932864067 and 8116183079. Councillor SMMustafa submitted memorandum today to Mayor Bidhan Upadhyay. Dignitaries present were Congress leader Mr. Imran Rizvi and several other local residents of Ward number 25. It is to be noted that during rainy season it is flooded and causes harm to the property of the area. So guard wall is to be constructed very soon. Mayor promised to do the construction very soon. It is expected that it will be done before rainy season starts. Stay with us for more news after this short break. Want to be a doctor? Holds the hands of an expert, D.K. Lal Sir. Coaching for medical NEET aims. Call now 9832824975. Address Rishi Arbind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. And also regular classes for 11th, 12th and BSc. The Union Home Ministry has started the process of auctioning the enemy property. There are 12,611 such properties across the country, whose value has been estimated at more than 1 lakh crore rupees. According to Santraj Prasad's report, the guidelines for disposal of enemy property require the process of eviction of enemy properties to be initiated with the help of the concerned district magistrate or deputy commissioner before the sale of the properties. There are 12,611 such properties in India which are estimated to be worth more than rupees 1 lakh crore. Of these 12,611 properties, 12,485 belong to Pakistani nationals and 126 to Chinese nationals. Uttar Pradesh 6,255 properties has the highest number of enemy properties. It is followed by West Bengal 4,088 properties, Delhi 659, Goa 295, Maharashtra 208, Telangana 158, Gujarat 151. Tripura 105, Bihar 94, Madhya Pradesh 94, Chhattisgarh 78 and Haryana 71 come. Stay with us for more news after this short break. B&M Coaching Center, Canteen Para, Shyamband, Baranpur. Metric and HS appear from Bihar Board of Open Schooling Examination, Patna. BA, BCom, BSc, MA, MCom, MSc, BBA, MBA, BCA, MCA. Swami Vivekanand Subrati University, Meerut, UP. DEC, AICTE, UGC. Contact number 97320-22768 and 97320-24247. Uproar over women's misdemeanor in the name of loan. According to Subal Singh's report, the Mandalpur village under Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate, Jamuria Police Station, there was an uproar after a loan employee made an obscene offer to a woman in the name of getting a loan. This employee works in a private bank when the woman applied for a microfinance loan. The person called her to the house. It is the same allegation. While the woman made obscene acts and made a bad proposal, after which a commotion broke out. The woman came and told the people of the neighborhood. The people of the village surrounded the house of the said agent. Later the police came, but even more ruckus arose. Somehow the police took that person in their custody and took them to the police station. After that, a complaint was lodged against that person in the police station. They started investigation against the accused person. Due to this incident, a lot of terror in the area and there is a fear. Stay with us for more news after this short break. Like, share and subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563 The end. Listen to today's SMS of the moment. There is nothing noble in being superior to your fellow men. True nobility lies in being superior to your former self. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video and don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.